Hi, welcome to Your Mentor YouTube channel. To get the government job PhD admissions, work from home job, school teacher as well as the assistant professor job notifications, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon, share, like and comment my videos. In this video, we are going to see the walk-in interview for the assistant professor or guest faculty or the lecturer from one of the government college, and from all over the India. You may apply from any state. Okay, there is no state restrictions here, and a few vacancies are there for the only post graduation and few vacancies are there with UGC NET qualification. There is no application fee and no written examination for the selection process. Directly will be called up for the interview. And here the salary is 35,000 rupees per month to 50,000 rupees per month. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the faculty job notifications in the government colleges in this pandemic situation. It will be very much helpful to them. And if your subjects are not covered in this video, then please mention your requirement in the comment section of this video. If I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. So to get my next video as a notification, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding the different departmental recruitment notifications from this government college. Before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, the educator of electronic science and the general paper 1. So the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next cycle, here the new batch course is going to start from October 27th onwards. So it is a paper 1 and electronic science course, guys. The interested candidates may take the subscription plan. So here you may check down. So whatever the subscription plan you want to take, you may use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, to get 10% discount. Content of the video. So it is Maulana Azad National Urdu University. So it is a central university from Hyderabad, guys, Telangana state. So from this one, here the walk-in interview for the engagement of assistant professor, guest faculty or lecturers on the short-term contractual basis. So the university desires to engage the services of assistant professor, guest faculty or lecturers on short-term contractual basis for the Department of School of Education and Training at Hyderabad, MANUU Colleges of Teacher Education, Bidar, Karnataka, and Darbhanga, Bihar, School of Sciences, Department of Hindi, Department of English, History, Directorate of Distance Education at Hyderabad, Satellite Campus at Lucknow, and MANUU Polytechnics at Bangalore, and Darbhanga, Bihar, Cuttack, Odisha, and Kadapa, Andhra Pradesh. The qualification shall be as per the UGC, NCT, ACT norms, and the medium of instructions in this university is Urdu. Therefore, the candidate should possess a valid Urdu qualification at appropriate level and should be able to teach through Urdu and evaluate the assignment or the papers. Okay. And for the number of post, monthly remuneration, the details of qualification, all these things I will show you, guys. Okay. These are all the things are kept in this PDF itself. And whoever the interested and eligible candidates are there, they may walk in for interview along with the copies of certificates with the originals on the scheduled dates at Committee Room, University Guest House, MANUU Campus, Gachibowli, Hyderabad, on their own expenses, and the reporting time is morning 9 o'clock. So what is the date? The date I will tell you. Okay, so if you scroll down, then you will check out that. The first one, Department of Education and the Training, Hyderabad, MANUU Colleges of Teacher Education, Karnataka, Bihar, and Directorate of Distance Education. Coming to the subjects or the specializations, so perspective in education, philosophy or sociology or psychology, Hindi, Urdu, mathematics, social sciences, health and physical education, fine arts and the performing arts. Total 12 number of vacancies are there. And as per the category wise also, the number of vacancies are mentioned here that you may check down. And the date and time of walk-in interview is Monday, 27th December 2021, and the reporting time is 9 o'clock. That is tomorrow itself. And coming to the School of Sciences, Botany, Physics, Bachelor of Vocation, MLT and MIT, the number of vacancies are mentioned here. And coming to the date of walk-in interview is 28th December 2021, morning 9 o'clock. And next one, Hindi, English, History, 20th December itself, afternoon 1 o'clock. And the Civil Engineering, Mechanical Engineering and Computer Science and the Polytechnics, Andhra Pradesh as well as Bihar and Odisha. The date of walk-in interview is on 29th December, morning 9 o'clock. And coming to the Chemistry, 2 vacancies are there. That is 29th December, afternoon 1 o'clock. Okay. So total 35 number of vacancies are there. And the venue of interview, Committee Room, University Guest House, MANUU Campus, Gachibowli, Hyderabad, Telangana state. Okay. So coming to the essential education qualifications are given here as per the subject wise or the department wise that you may check down. So Department of Education and Training, PG degree with 55% of marks and PG degree in education with minimum 55% of marks. Apart from this one, the candidate must have the NET or SLET or SET qualifications must be there, and the knowledge of Urdu is mandatory. Okay, knowledge of Urdu is mandatory for all the positions. Okay, irrespective of the departments or the specializations. And coming to the physical education, PG in physical education with 55. Apart from this one, the NET, SLET or SET qualification must be there, and the physical fitness test norms are also mentioned here. You may check down. And coming to the fine arts and the performing arts, PG with 50% of marks, along with that one the PhD degree also given here. Okay, and coming to the next specialization, that is a drama discipline for the performing arts, PG with 50% of marks, and the UGC NET qualification must be there. And coming to the next specialization, that is for the botany, physics, Hindi, history, English and chemistry subjects, PG with 55% of marks, and the UGC NET, SLET or SET qualification must be there. And coming to the next essential qualifications for engineering subjects discipline, only PG is enough. Okay, the knowledge of Urdu is mandatory, but with only PG you can apply for these positions. Coming to the medical lab technology, so BSc MLT with 5 years of experience, or BSc MSc or PhD in medical biochemistry or medical microbiology or the clinical pathology, and the medical imaging technology, BSc in the radiology, 5 years of experience, or medical graduate with postgraduate in the radiology with 2 years of experience. And the monthly remunerations are given here. For School of Education and Training, 50,000 rupees per month, and for the polytechnics 35,000 rupees per month. Age limit preferably 30 years below, and maybe there for the age relaxations as per the Government of India norms. Okay, so these are all the things, guys. Whoever the interested and eligible candidates are there, okay, just find out whatever the different documents you need to carry and attend at this the date and time whatever they mention. Fine. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to those departments. It will be very much helpful to them in this pandemic situation. To get the more notifications like this, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET examination, from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. So if you are interested, you may continue this video. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Yeah, hi guys, welcome to my channel. So myself, I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science, as well as the general paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So myself, I cleared the UGC NET as well as the GATE for the 2 times in electronics and communication subject. And in this video, I want to bring you one new batch course for the candidates who are preparing for the next NTA UGC NET exam cycle. So next cycle means as if right now in the month of November and December, NTA UGC NET is conducting the exam for the December 2020 as well as the June 2021 med cycle. Fine. And the next cycle is the December 2021. So Unacademy started the new batch course, guys, for the paper 1 as well as the paper 2. And the highlights of this course are online live classes you will get. And even though if you miss the live class due to your busy schedule, you can watch the recorded videos also. And you can download the class PDFs also, which will be very much helpful for your preparation purpose, or else to write the short notes purpose, or else the revision purpose. And the test series are also you can avail from this new batch course. And while coming to the official website of the Unacademy, so all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. So it is not only providing the paid courses, guys, it is providing the free online classes also. And you will get the free online classes on the 2 platforms. One is on Unacademy YouTube channel and one is on Unacademy app itself in the name of special classes. So here, what I mean, NTA is conducting the UGC NET examination for a total 81 subjects, right? So out of the 81 subjects, Unacademy is providing the online courses, or else what you call paid courses. Okay, that is nothing but complete coaching for the subjects, okay, that you may explore what are the different subjects Unacademy is providing this UGC NET examination purpose. And coming to the list of the subjects, so general paper 1 teaching is common, that means teaching aptitude, that is paper 1 is common, that you will get in English language as well as the Hindi language. And coming to the remaining paper 2 subjects are commerce, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, sociology, labor welfare, and English and education, and geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, home science, environmental sciences, philosophy, mass communication and journalism, tourism, administration, management, Sanskrit, Punjabi, okay, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects that Unacademy is providing, guys. And while coming to the myself, as I told that I'm providing the subject that is electronic science. So it is my profile.
So for both paper 1 as well as the electronic science, I am the Unacademy educator. So the information to the electronic science candidates, I mean, not only to the electronic science candidates, so whatever the subject I shown you right now. So if you want to take the subscription plan where the new batch courses are going to start, guys, okay, if you want to take the subscription plan for all this one, then you may click on this get subscription. As I told in the starting itself that you will get the free online class as well as the paid courses also. But under the subscription, you will get the complete in detailed syllabus as per the UGC syllabus, guys. And you may take the plus or the iconic subscription. So if you click on the plus, okay, these are the different subscription plans are there. So you may take 1 month or 3 months or 6 months or 12 or 24 months. Okay. And here the price are also mentioned. So for 1 month 3,190 and 3 months 6,875 like this. And whatever the current courses are running, they are maximum up to the 3 months, okay, or else beyond the 3 months. So the suggestible one is the 3 months or the 6 months of subscription plan, or else if you are preparing for the next other cycles, you may take more than 6 months also. And if you go to this one here, it mentions that have a referral code here. So here I am providing one referral code, guys, ASWINIK. Okay. So if you click on this referral code and apply, so whatever the plan you are going to take here, for example, if you want to take the 6 months of subscription plan, okay, and if you use my referral code that is ASWINIK, then you will get the 10% discount. Okay, 10% off you will get on any one of the subscription plan. So previously I shown you whatever the subjects that is providing for the, providing by the Unacademy. So for any subjects, you will get the 10% discount for the referral code that is ASWINIK, and then click on the proceed to pay. Okay. And while coming to the electronic science and the paper one, okay, so the new batch course is going to start from November 3rd onwards. Okay, that means the day after yesterday, November 3rd onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys, can utilize the opportunity. So already the course schedule, everything is launched here. Fine. So you may check down in my profile link also. And after downloading the Unacademy app, you may click on, you may search by this name, okay, Ashwini Kumar Gadige. Then you will be directed to my profile link and you may check down, okay, the schedule of this upcoming batch course. Fine. And here the lot of previously the course taken students, the lot of the students are highly satisfied, guys. So you may check down the dedications also from the previous batch students, right? So and you can also come on the free online classes also, that as I told that you will get on the Unacademy YouTube channel as well as on the special classes. So for example, before taking the subscription plan, if you want